Imagine waking up with unstoppable energy, laser-sharp focus, and a sense of mental clarity that doesn't fade by mid-morning. What if a natural compound could support this transformation, fueling your body and mind without the crash of caffeine or the complexity of fasting? Welcome to the world of exogenous ketones. For anyone following a ketogenic lifestyle or seeking peak cognitive performance, ketones are not just a buzzword, they are a revolution. Your body naturally produces ketones during carbohydrate restriction, burning fat as a primary source of energy. But this process, known as endogenous ketosis, takes time, discipline, and sometimes days of low-carb adaptation. What if you could skip the waiting and elevate ketone levels instantly? That's exactly what exogenous ketones do. Derived externally, usually in the form of ketone salts or ketone esters, these supplements introduce ketones directly into your bloodstream, mimicking the metabolic state of ketosis even if you haven't fasted or fully restricted carbs. The result is a rapid, powerful shift in energy metabolism. But it's not just about energy. It's about clarity, discipline, and transformation. Exogenous ketones have gained widespread attention for their dual impact on the body and brain. Physiologically, they support fat metabolism and enhance endurance, making them popular among athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Cognitively, they act as a super fuel for the brain, improving memory retention, focus, and even mood. This mental edge is why entrepreneurs, students, and creatives are turning to ketones as a tool for biooptimization. The science behind it is compelling. Ketones cross the blood-brain barrier efficiently, providing neurons with a clean, efficient energy source. They produce fewer free radicals than glucose, potentially reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain. Studies suggest that ketones may even offer neuroprotective benefits, making them relevant in discussions about aging and cognitive decline. But not all exogenous ketones are created equal. Ketone salts are more accessible and affordable, often blended with minerals like sodium, magnesium, or calcium. They're ideal for beginners and fitness-focused individuals. Ketone esters, while more potent and pure, have a strong taste and are typically used in clinical settings or by high-performance biohackers. So how do you use exogenous ketones for maximum benefit? Timing is key. They can be taken in the morning to kickstart mental clarity, before a workout to enhance performance, or during fasting to suppress appetite and extend ketosis. Hydration is critical, as is maintaining a low-carb intake to maximize synergy between endogenous and exogenous ketone production. What matters most, though, is your intention. Whether your goal is weight loss, productivity, or cognitive longevity, exogenous ketones are a versatile, research-backed ally. Are you using exogenous ketones to unlock your full physical and mental potential?